guys, welcome to my video. I'm Zenon from Holy Clips. Now guys, I'm gonna show you how to defeat this Skadi. If you struggle in Skadi about air hook, I'll show you how the trick is done. Okay, start. This Skadi in the front, no problem. I'm gonna show you the trick. Use Simone. Just face it. Yeah, start. Oh, you see that Skadi hook is useless. You can't use. Now Christine is firing Skadi. Oh, see that, man? Hindi pa. Victory is mine. This is the trick. I hope it will help you all, guys. And if you want to unlock this Abaddon stages, you must clear all the expedition stages. 27, stage 27, if I remind. Yeah. And if you want to watch all the video, just go to my YouTube channel. See you guys. Thank you all.